Today, I'm going to show you how to easily convert an image to a PDF using WPS Office without spending a dime. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few moments. If you haven't used WPS Office before, it's a versatile, all-in-one Office suite that empowers you to work with documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs. Best of all, it's free and available on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. I've included the download link in the description below. Once you've got WPS Office installed, open the app and go to the PDF section on the home screen. From there, click on Picture to PDF. A file explorer will open, and you can select the image or images you want to convert. If you have multiple photos, you can even combine them into one PDF. After selecting your images, you'll see a preview. Here, you can easily rearrange them, re-ats, or add margins to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the layout, hit Export to PDF. Choose the destination for the file, give it a name, and it's done. Your image is now a PDF, customized just as you want it. That's all there is to it. Converting images to PDFs with WPS Office is easy and free. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.